Well, hello everybody. This is another episode of Game Programming, and we won't cover obviously as much as we did in the first. Um, but what what we do have is just a blank screen. Um, that's pretty much it, and it just spams running in the bottom here, like so. All right. So what we're gonna do is some actually pretty complicated stuff in this episode, so let's get started. So let's make a private, oh whoops, caps lock is on, private buffered image. And let's name that image, and let's set that equal to new buffered, image, and the parameters we have to use is width, height, and buffered image dot type int RGB, and that's that. Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is make a private integer array named pixels. So private integer array, and name it not IP, pixels. And we need to set that equal to probably the most complicated thing. Well, this is very, very complicated stuff. So data buffer int. Okay, and then image right there. And then dot get roster. And then dot get data buffer. And next is actually just dot get data. And there we go. And now it'll throw an exception here, and there's literally nothing you can do. The only thing you can do is hit Control-Shift-O to import data buffer int, which for some reason it doesn't let you do it by hovering over it, but just hit Control-Shift-O and it will do it for you. Alright? Okay, so the next thing we need to do is alright, so let's go down into run. Run. And then while running, we can just delete this running thing here. And let's type update and render. And I'm terribly sorry if you hear like a like music in the background. There's a well, my brother is in a band and they're playing in my basement, so there's nothing really that I can do. So alright, so what we need to do is, now that those are there, we can do make public void update. Oh, whoops, not a semicolon, there we go. And we're not going to do anything in update as of now. So we can just close that off and make public void render. There. And now these two are gone, or the errors are gone here. And what we need to do here is alright, so buffer strategy BS import buffer strategy, and set that equal to let's say, it's get buffer strategy. Alright, now that that is made, we can make it actually a really simple if statement. So if BS is equal to null, so if it's not there, because render is going to be updating as many times as your computer can handle. An update will only happen 60 times a second. So this will happen 60 or as many times as your computer can handle. So when we only need to do this, literally, we only need to do this once. So what we're going to do is if it's not happened yet, Then if it's not there, then we do create buffer strategy. Alright, and what we put in here is 3. Oh yeah, strategy. I misspelled strategy. Alright, so that's that. And we need to return. Alright, now outside of here we actually need to do all the graphics. So graphics g equals bs.get bs.get draw graphics and import graphics. Alright, so that's that. Now we actually get to draw. What I'm going to do is draw a black, make the screen black when we open the window. So this is kind of cool. This is the first major big leap in graphics for your game. So set g.set color dot black, and now you can make this any color you want, but just I'm telling you right now, just keep it as black. We will go over how to make it different colors later when we go into the void tile and such. So so fill rectangle, and we have parameters. So the x will be 0, y will be 0, and width will be get width, and height will be get height. Alright, now that we have this, don't open it yet. Do not. So do g.dispose and then bs.show. And now I believe we're done. Yeah, we're done. Now if we hit the debug button, it should come up and be a black screen rather than the nothing there before. So we can change this color, but I'm not going to go over that now. That's all I'm going to cover for right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. See you guys next time. Bye bye.